Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to use photo shuffle to see a specific album. Can't decide which photo to use for your lock screen? Photo shuffle is the wallpaper you have been searching for. This neat feature is wallpaper that shuffles through featured photos automatically. However, the latest software update has now made it possible to select a specific album. So in this video I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and choose wallpaper. Tap on it. Next, tap on add new wallpaper. Then choose photo shuffle. And then tap choose album. When you tap album, it might default to the favorite albums. Simply tap favorites to change which album you want. Then scroll through your albums and select the one you want. Once you have selected your album, tap shuffle frequency to change how often you want the wallpaper to change. Choose between on tap, on log, hourly or daily. Now you will be able to customize your lock screen. Tap to preview to see how the lock screen photos will change. And then tap add to confirm your new lock screen. Now photo shuffle should only show you photos from that album on your lock screen. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to use photo shuffle to see a specific album, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.